Hi everyone, welcome to another property showcase from propertycozy.com. I am Tavia and I will be your property guide for today. Please remember to like, share, subscribe and hit the notification bell to be notified when a new property is available. Let's get into it. We have here a gorgeous 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom house located in Downs District, Manchester. Downs District is only a quick 30 minutes drive from the capital of Mandeville, or 10 minutes drive to Junction in St. Elizabeth, or 25 minutes to Santa Cruz for all your shopping pleasures. This home is wonderfully maintained and features large bedrooms and bathrooms, along with other living areas. This property is completely fenced and comes with automatic gate openers. This home comes with wonderfully manicured lawns and garden areas, along with a multitude of fruit trees, which gives this home a magnificent homely feeling and charm. This home also has aluminum awnings, grill windows and doors, concrete water tank with electric pump, water heater and storage area. The land area of this house is approximately 21,571 square feet. Guys, it's time to see this house. Please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 26 million. Purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.